Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Tally on your laptop. You can just search up, Tally ERP9 download, and you can open up this link right here from Tally Solutions. Don't do Softonic, open Tally Solutions, and then you'll be able to download Tally Prime. So you can just download these, or you can just come here, scroll down, and click on download older versions or support files, and you can choose whichever release you want. So let's go ahead and choose another one. Let's scroll down until we find Tally ERP9 release. So this one right here, you can add it to your laptop. Just download this. It's from 2020. And once the setup is downloaded, open it up. And then you just click here on install. There you go. Let it install. Give it a few moments. And once it's successfully installed, click here on done, and it should launch up, as you can see right here. And you can go ahead and activate your license if you have that, or you can just begin using that. And let's just go ahead and quit this. But really, it's that easy. That is how to add Tally on your laptop. Find this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.